say cars are the star of my show. It's all about the journey. I say finding treasures along the way. Nothing stops me. I'm on a roll in every car. I find my soul. I'm rolling man where dreams are free. On this road I'm meant to be.
Hi guys and girls, you're through to Roland Man. I'm pleased we have rolled into spring. Today I thought I would do a bit more decorating of the garage with the Mini. Some of you may know my other love is for die-cast models. Well, I am putting some models in the garage and I have got some gifts that some of my followers sent me, so let's get started. I chose this model of a Porsche 911 because my great-grandpa bought one similar in 1973. Just so happens he bought his a year after the Mini was made. Maybe a real one will be part of the Roland Man collection one day. I can just hear the flat 6 engine now. This yellow Mini model has got to be one of the first ones to go in my garage. I chose the Mini because it caught my eye. Yellow Minis are a fairly rare sight, though I've noticed quite a few more since Roland Man started out. I was looking for something quirky and that makes people smile. I think my Mini does that. Now I'm really proud to show you a gift which was sent by one of my subscribers. It even has the detail of R-Man1 as a number plate. It certainly is all about the journey. Thanks for sending this. It just needs a bit of no nails on the back and then it will have pride of place in my garage.
Classic cars are the star of my show. It's all about the journey. I say finding treasures along the way. Nothing stops me. I'm on a roll in every car. I find my soul. I'm rolling man with dreams are free.